Hey friends, welcome to the English Tales. Today I have a short but very important story for you.
Really? What is this story about?
It's about honesty. Why honesty is always the best policy.
Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter.
Woodcutter? You mean a man who cuts wood?
Yes, every day he went into the forest to cut wood and sell it in the market.
Oh, I see. What happened next?
One day, while cutting a tree near the river, his axe slipped from his hands and fell into the water.
Oh no, he must have been very sad.
Exactly. He started crying, "Oh no! My only axe is gone! How will I feed my family?"
Then what happened?
Suddenly, a fairy appeared and asked, "Why are you crying, woodcutter?"
Wow, a fairy!
The woodcutter replied, "My axe fell into the river."
What did the fairy do then?
The fairy went into the water and brought a golden axe. She asked, "Is this your axe?"
What did he say?
He said, "No, this is not mine."
Wow, so he did not lie.
Then the fairy brought a silver axe and asked again, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter said, "No, this is not mine either."
And then?
Finally, the fairy brought his iron axe. The woodcutter shouted happily, "Yes, that's mine."
Wow, so honest.
The fairy was very pleased and gave him all 3 axes as a reward.
Amazing! This really shows honesty is always rewarded.
So the moral of the story is, honesty always wins.
Yes, even when no one is watching, always be honest.
Honesty is the key to success. Thanks for watching the English Tales,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
and stay tuned for more short English stories.
Bye, friends. See you in the next story.